Discover how to earn with affiliate links. Discover how to combine the benefits of YouTube and Amazon. Launch your site using a done-for-you template. Use our turnkey system, which includes all the premium plugins you will need for success. Earn by engaging people and not selling to them. Don't post products with an affiliate link on social media. Turn the funnel upside down. Engage with videos from YouTube, which you don't have to create. This is done for you automatically using our back-end software. Make sure that you include your affiliate disclaimer. Create a bespoke Facebook page for your site. This will require some work on your part. You want the videos to engage your visitors without selling. Then we match the YouTube content with Amazon content, which will appeal to the video watching visitor. If they see something they like, they will be tempted to go to Amazon and buy it. By clicking on the links in your website, which are Amazon Associates links, you have the opportunity to earn commission. To find out more, click on the link in the description below.